I will be performing the Oway Rebuilding treatment on my client, and after analyzing her hair, I've determined that the proper treatment for her would be the treatment B. As you can see, treatment B is for split ends, particularly damaged by chemicals, and that's what we're going to be doing, which is equal amounts of both the ceramide and the hyalominerals. I will be mixing these together with the rebuilding serum. Here I am testing the iron to make sure it's working properly, and it is. As you can see, the steam coming out. Note that I used both sides of the iron, both the ultrasonic plate and the infrared, so that the hair was exposed to both sides. Because she tends to have dry scalp, almost kind of like eczema, I rubbed some of the leftover product into her scalp while she was sitting with it. After I blow dried her hair, we did color it before we recorded the last after shot.